What do you do when you get to spend some time behind the wheel of a Ford Ranger Platinum? Well, you take it on an adventure. In this video, we're heading straight from Gauteng to Mpumalanga, chasing down two childhood waterfall treasures that have been living rent-free in my mind for years. Buckle up. Hey Hippo, let's ride, because you will tell us all about the cost of ownership. Wait, is that a drone? First things first, for 1,150,000 rands, this platinum beast can be yours. But what about the cost of ownership? Well, what are we waiting for? Let's Hippo it. Using the Hippo website, I found the lowest insurance code at 2,193 rands per month, with an excess amount of 17,550. If you finance this over 72 months at 13%, installment will be 23,058. Just don't ask me about the fuel bill yet. However, I know you're curious, so I'll let you know. Fuel will set you back 1,760 rands to fill up the 80-liter tank, resulting in a cost of ownership of 27,038. So just between you and me, I must say this, I almost shed a tear at the pump. Now, before I hit the open road, I did something a little extra. I took the Ranger to a 24-hour car wash. Yes, you heard me right, a first of its kind. For only 120 rands cash only, I was able to get the Platinum a proper wash. Because if you're about to conquer mountains and waterfalls, your ride better be shining. The road ahead, well, we were going to drive from Gauteng to Sabi, and then Sabi to Graskop, and then to the waterfalls. Now that's what I call a playlist. Let's talk about the scenery. Well, the scenery was jaw-dropping. I must say that South Africa is a beautiful country. Rolling hills, forests, and winding roads that practically beg you to floor it. Speaking of flooring it, underneath the hood lies a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel pushing out 184 kilowatts of power and 600 Newton meters of torque. Now that's what I call muscle. Overtaking, now that was easy. Acceleration, punchy. Top speed, enough to make you grin and your insurance broker sweat. Now, the Ranger Platinum didn't just drive me to my destination. It practically held my hand the whole way. You've got features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, traffic jam assist, rear cross traffic alert, ISOFIX anchor points for the little ones, airbags all around, and a 5-star safety rating. On the inside, you get leather seats that are both heated and cooled. Trust me, my buttocks were perfectly chilled the whole way to Graskop. Commanding ride height, check. You leave hatchback drivers questioning their life choices. Cup holders, of course. Wireless charging, got it. USB ports all around, no passenger is left behind. It's also practical. Maybe not as roomy as a BYD, but who cares? It's got a roller shutter, a bakkie area with a 3-point plug, and another plug inside for good measure. Tailgate parties, anyone? So then, we drove past Sabi to Graskop. From Graskop, the destination was on site. I was tempted to try the God's window, but I had to keep my focus on the childhood treasure. Just a few minutes from the waterfall, I stopped for a while to soak up the scenery. And then it hit me. I had just conquered mountains upon mountains in this beast of a car. Like it was all flat. Like the scenery, it looked so handsome from every angle. In fact, this gentleman and his lady had to stop just to take a pic with it in his car. And yes, the handsome beast got a nice compliment from the lady. Guys, I must say that the Ranger Platinum definitely looks good from every angle. Just look at the front, the side, and the rear. From an exterior perspective, you have the Matrix LED headlights, a chrome-plated grille, and daytime running lights to match. On the side, it has a massive looking stance. Short people are treated to side steps. Tall as I am, I also use them too. And as for its rear, it's kept simple with LED taillights. And as if to add to the memories being created, this motorcycle decided to drive along with me. Now, the waterfall we are about to see is called the Lisbon Waterfall. What a sight! So, just a quick fun fact, someone once lost a drone here trying to capture its beauty. Now, it's lodged behind the waterfall forever, like a techie time capsule. After exploring the Lisbon waterfall, well, next stop is Berlin Falls. Behold, Berlin Waterfall. Guys, Mpumalanga is beautiful. These waterfalls, oh, it's just an amazing sight. And with that, mission accomplished. My childhood memories ticked off. Now, Ford says you'll get 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Well, as for me, I was seeing around 10.9 liters per 100 kilometers. Look, I've got a heavy foot. Can you blame me? For your peace of mind, Ford offers a warranty of 4 years or 120,000 kilometers and a service plan of 6 years or 90,000 kilometers. Now, if you want the full deep dive on the Ranger Platinum specs and features, hit the link in my description. I've reviewed this bakkie in detail before. Now, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's get this channel to 70,000 subscribers together. We're already on that road and I'm taking you all along for every adventure. And well then, until the next one, stay tuned, stay safe and stay hippoed up. See you on the next ride.